Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 424. The number 424 is a mix of the energies and qualities of the numbers 4 and 2. The number 4 shows up twice, which makes its effects stronger. Number 4 is about being patient, being practical, taking responsibility, working hard, having traditional values, being honest and having integrity, having inner wisdom, and working hard and being determined to reach goals. The energy of the archangels is also connected to the number 4, as are our drive, passion, and purpose. Number 2 carries the vibrations of duality, partnership, and relationships, diplomacy and adaptability, sensitivity and selflessness, happiness and satisfaction. Number 2 is also about faith and trust, as well as having a life purpose and a soul mission. Angel number 424 is a sign that the angels are helping you keep your faith, resolve, and positive, hopeful thoughts strong. You have a lot to do, and your angels want you to use your time and energy to serve your soul mission. Give your worries and fears to the angels so they can heal you, and ask for help whenever you need it. Know that your angels want you to be happy and successful, and will help you along your path. Angel number 424 tells you to think about all of your choices, and decide what is most important to you. Don't waste your time and energy on things or people that don't help you or make you happy. Instead, choose to do things and spend your time and energy on things and people that fit your true self and make you feel good on the inside. Angel number 42, the 4th of May, also be telling you that if you want to start or grow a spiritually based job or practice, or a service-based business or project, you may have to put in a lot of hard work and dedication, but in the long run, you and the people you serve will both benefit. If you trust your gut, you'll know which way to go. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.